Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's up to the lightning round! And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready? Ski back to the lightning round. Let's start with Matthew in Minnesota. Matthew!
Booyah, Jimmy Chill!
Booyah!
With baseball in full swing, football, basketball, and hockey about to start up, how are you feeling about DraftKings as an entry point right now?
Okay, I think DraftKings is incredibly well run. I think they have to spend a fortune to be able to get customers, but they have an incredible number. I could not believe that. According to the reports we saw this week, they got 30% of the market. So I think that Jason Robbins is doing a very good job, and I'm a buyer, not a seller of DraftKings. Steve in South Carolina. Steve.
Mr. Cramer.
Yes.
You had this company on a few weeks ago. Do you consider Ree Automotive, symbol REE, a good investment at $4 a share?
No. I mean, look, I'm very clear on these things. I like Tesla. I'm sorry. Yeah, for free. I like Tesla, and I like, in terms of the actual batteries, I like Ford. They're putting up a giant battery plant. Ford sells at 8 times earnings, for heaven's sake. Farley's giving her all she's got. Let's get in that one. Club name. Let's go to Jay in Tennessee. Jay.
Booyah, Jim. Greetings from Nashville, Tennessee.
Oh, my God, I love the development capital of the world. And everybody I know is happy there. I mean, I know like a dozen people in Nashville are all happy. Not bad. What's up?
Yes, sir. My question deals with the company JFrog. With it, acquiring Upswift and having 70 of the 100 Fortune 100 companies and, the Defense Department contracts, will it go above 40 again by the end of the year, you think?
I'm actually quite surprised that stock is down about 50%. It's a pretty good company. Let's do a piece on JFrog. We're going to do a profile of JFrog. We can do Dad and Dog and JFrog. We'll get them all right? Let's go to Jason in Maryland. Jason.
Hey, Jimmy, baby. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Doing well, thanks. All right, this company, they have a history of paying shareholders since going public in 2004. They have a diversified portfolio of products that are found in everyone's pantry, freezer, and fridge. They have a new CEO that has implemented operational efficiencies. They just sold a plant in Maine. And their acquisition of Crisco in December of 2020 is performing above their own expectations. Now, there are a few negatives. They got a relatively high level of debt on their balance sheet. There's an equity offering on its way. And high inflationary costs are kind of hitting the industry. The other day, you had the CEO of McCormick on your show. So I want to know, what are your thoughts of B&G Foods?
You know what? I wish I liked B&G more. I really do. But the Green Giant, they had a bunch of good old-fashioned names. But, I mean, I like Campbell's more than I like B&G now. I know the yield's lower, but I think Campbell's management is certainly more aggressive than B&G, although I invite B&G on the show. Happy to have them. Why not? I got 3 segments tonight. I'm always looking for people, right? Okay, let's go to Jack in Ohio. Jack.
Hey, thanks for taking my call, Jimmy.
All right.
Hey, it's one of my bigger holdings. Can't find any negative news on the pullback anywhere. Is it a good time to add more? SKYWORKS.
The only thing I see that's negative about SKYWORKS is that he's a big Patriot fan. But he's not. I mean, honestly, that's about as weak as it gets when I talk about Liam Griffin. SKYWORKS Solutions at 160 is I think is a really terrific buy. Yes, it can go lower. All stocks can go lower, but they are in the sweet spot with Apple. And last I looked, Apple is still doing pretty well. So SWKS at this level, Liam Griffin, come on, it's okay. I like it. Sorry about the Pats. I mean, I don't know. I mean, really? Okay, let's go to Tim in Arizona. Tim.
Hi, Tim. How are you doing, Jimmy?
I am doing well. How about you?
Very well. I have a stock called APELLIS Pharmaceutical. It's dropped quite a bit. I'm hoping it's going to go back down to around 16. Do you see that happening before it goes to 50?
You know, they got they've got. Why not just buy? Why not look? They have a blindness drug. When I hear blind, what I think of, and I know this because it's macular degeneration. It's macular. That I think it's Regeneron. I just think the Regeneron's got the best eye franchise there is, and that's the one I'd like to see you in. Macular degeneration, the 1 shot per month rather than the 1 per week. And Regeneron demonstrates its greatness over and over and over again. Let's stick with best of breed. Can we go to Tony in California? Tony!
Hey, Jim. Happy Wednesday to you.
Oh, same. What's up?
Hey, so what's your take on test and measurement players like KEYSIGHT Technologies?
Why the heck has this stock collapsed? Their last quarter has been absolutely terrific. It was one of the strongest quarters in the entire group. I'm going to throw in Lam Research, by the way. And this just makes me angry that stock is going down. Agilent's good, too, letter A. I don't know. All I can say is I think it's wrong. Okay, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Hunt, Ike. Make sense of the day's most critical market machinations in no time flat. Stick with Cramer for a special no huddle next. Tomorrow, kick off the trading day with Squawk on the Street. Live from Post 9 at the NYSE.
I watched a Netherlands person talk about windmills today. And I said, no, I refuse to trade off of windmills. No, I will not trade off of windmills. Don Quixote's trading off of windmills, but not me.
It all starts at 9 a.m. Eastern.
Jim Cramer, you're one of my heroes.
I look forward to your show every weeknight. Thank you so much for helping beginning investors like me.
When you talk about the market, I just believe that you're spot on.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Every night we watch you, I have learned and earned.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.